Maya,
Yes, Papa.
we're gonna be late for dinner.
अरे it's okay. थोड़ी देर और रहने दो ना. Yes, Papa. Please, few more minutes. It's so fun here.
Look, Maya, your favorite strawberry flavor is gonna run out. After that, don't complain.
अरे रहने दो उसे. Let her be here for some more time. Yes, Papa. Please, few more minutes. Then we'll go. पक्का.
A few more minutes. वैसे भी तेरी मम्मी के सामने मेरी कहाँ चलती है?
You never listen to me, Maya. But I informed you about the play a week ago, right? We're not free this week, Maya. We cannot make time for all of this now. But this is not fair, Ma. Maya, just go to your room. I don't know what you do in there, but don't disturb me. I have a lot of work to do now.
It was so good. I can't wait for tomorrow. It's going to be so good.
We're gonna look like the three musketeers.
It's not the same thing. Anyways, we're gonna look really good. Maya, did you learn your lines?
Almost. I think I'm doing good, and I just need to go through the lines that Miss Anne gave me. Yeah, that's it.
You know you're Miss Anne's favorite, right?
Guys.
Of course.
You know it's not like that. It is like that. We all know.
We know all your secrets, Maya.
Okay, so be it. Anyways, I gotta go, guys. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Is your dad home yet? Let me know when he's here.
Can you get me a glass of water?
Didn't I tell you to inform me when your dad is here?
But he just arrived.
She and her excuses. Just sits up in that room all day long. Like an antisocial creature locked up in the room.
How am I supposed to know? You're the one sitting at home all day. Aren't you the one responsible? Do you even check on her? Have you even entered her room?
Typical. You just go off to your work, come back home, eat junk and whatever you like, and nothing matters to you.
You're damn right. My job is to provide for this family. You do yours.
Maya, did you not sleep enough at home? Your lack of discipline is showing in your grades, beta. Your silence is speaking louder than your words.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Please tell your parents that I need to meet them tomorrow, okay? Anyway, let's continue the class.
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
Let's revise what we did last class. Repeat after me. Loser, ugly, lazy, bad, sad,
Maya, the dinner is ready. What are you doing? you doing here? What is all this, Maya? You need to leave. We have guests coming over. Go away. Give these to me. What have you done to the room? Come. Go away. Look at what you've done. And you have the audacity to grab my hand. Look at me while I talk to you. Mom, look at this. When we went to the park that day, you, me, Dad, we had so much fun. It was so nice. Are you crazy? We never went to the park. No. Why do you say that? And look, my 12th birthday party, where Dad surprised me after being at work all day long. And the sleepover where all my best friends went for the first time. I came and told you everything about it. And the King Lear play where I played Cordelia. You, Dad, both of you all came to watch my play in the school, Ma. Maya, calm down. What? Sit down. No. Sit down. Calm down. What happened? None of this ever happened, Maya. What? No. Mom, these are some of my happiest memories. Why do you say that? Maya, your dad didn't even remember your birthday until I told him about it. He didn't even wish you. What? And the sleepover? Dad never agreed to it, Maya. We could not make it to your play because your dad and I had a small argument. Small argument? Unbelievable, Mom. How y'all didn't even care about me. Plus, he nearly slapped you. I don't know what to tell you, Maya. But Mom, the sleepover... What? They're already here?